This is the all-new DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is the company's latest pocket gimbal camera, built on decades of innovation in stabilization and imaging technology. It's designed to help creators capture smooth, brilliant, and cinematic videos, all from a camera that can still fit in the pocket. With its versatile dual camera system, industry-leading 3-axis mechanical stabilization, and intelligent imaging prowess, it packs many of the features creators expect from much larger and more expensive camera systems into an amazingly compact form factor. Here's the complete DJI Osmo Pocket 4P Vlog Combo Package, which sells for $42,290. Let's check out some of its features. In terms of design, DJI Osmo Pocket 4P retains the compact, pocketable form factor that made the series so popular, all while adding a secondary camera for greater versatility. Even at around 230 grams, it's still easy to carry for travel and everyday shooting. It does feel a bit top-heavy because of the dual camera setup, but it's something you can quickly get used to. Like previous pocket models, this gimbal camera is also more delicate than an action cam. So you'll want to handle it with care and avoid rough conditions unless you have the proper protective accessories. The all-new DJI Osmo Pocket 4P has the best zooming features of all Osmo Pocket models that the company has released so far. This is thanks in huge part to the 2 cameras of the device that allow it to cover multiple focal lengths with stellar clarity, enabling immersive storytelling. With its amazing dual camera setup, the first for this line, the Pocket 4P supports 3 times optical zoom, 6 times lossless zoom, and up to 12 times digital zoom. You can toggle through these preset zoom points by tapping on the on-screen buttons and clicking on the zoom button. You can also long press on the zoom button for continuous zoom in, or use the joystick for continuously zooming in and out. This is the actual video recorded using the Pocket 4P. This is 3 times optical zoom, 6 times lossless zoom, and this is 12 times digital zoom, which I think still looks very clear and usable. Now let's continuously zoom in. Notice the change of camera starting at 3 times zoom, and this is maximum 12 times digital zoom. I must say I'm very impressed with the image quality throughout the zoom range, and I think this makes the Pocket 4P perfect for recording live performances like this one. I mean, even if you're a bit far from the stage, you can punch in up to 12 times zoom and still get decent image quality with good dynamic range and clarity. Okay, so let's do another zoom showcase from the car. This is continuous zoom up to 12 times. What can you say about the quality at maximum digital zoom? Now let's do it per zoom point. This is 3 times optical zoom, 6 times lossless zoom, and zooming in to 12 times. Can you see the airplane there? Amazing, right? With its 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor and wide f1.8 aperture, DJI Osmo Pocket 4P's secondary Med-Tele camera enables stellar portrait imaging at 60mm via 3 times optical zoom, 120mm via 6 times lossless zoom, or 240mm via 12 times digital zoom. The fairly large sensor, the ideal focal length, and the wide aperture all work together to deliver amazing image quality and visually pleasing background blur or bokeh. Say hello to my younger brother. Thanks, Val. Now let's take a look at my portrait videos taken using the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. This is 60mm at 3 times optical zoom. Let's jump to 120mm at 6 times lossless zoom. And finally, this is 240mm at 12 times digital zoom. Okay, let's do it one more time. This is 60mm. Hi. Next, let's do 120mm. Check out the background blur or the bokeh. And finally, this is 240mm at 12 times digital zoom. Considering how compact the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is, I must say that I'm very impressed with the quality of the portrait shots that I got using this gimbal camera. DJI Osmo Pocket 4P can also capture 4K videos up to a whopping 240 frames per second, giving creators the ability to produce stunning ultra slow motion footage. Whether you're capturing action, cinematic B-roll, or dramatic shots, this feature adds another layer of creativity and helps make your videos more engaging and visually impressive. Another DJI Osmo Pocket 4P feature that I really appreciate is the new D-Log2 color profile. It captures a wider dynamic range and preserves more highlight and shadow detail, giving you greater flexibility when color grading your footage in post-production. The only limitation right now is that D-Log2 is available only on the main wide camera and not on the Med-Tele camera. Hopefully, DJI addresses this in a future firmware update to make switching between the two cameras much more seamless in a professional editing workflow. ActiveTrack 8.0 is one of the standout features of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P that makes shooting video by yourself much easier. The camera automatically follows your movement, allowing you to focus on what you're saying or doing instead of constantly checking whether you're still in the frame. To activate it, simply double-tap the subject on the touchscreen and tracking begins instantly. You can stop tracking by tapping outside the tracking box or pressing the joystick once. If you're filming remotely, you can also select your subject through the DJI Mimo app. ActiveTrack 8.0 works on humans, vehicles, animals, and other moving subjects across all focal lengths, even up to 12 times zoom. It also supports multi-person tracking and uses dynamic framing to keep your subject naturally composed instead of simply locking them in the center. As you can see, this feature performs well even at night, provided there's enough light for the camera to recognize the subject. It also tracks reliably across different focal lengths, even when there are obstacles or other objects in the frame. ActiveTrack 8.0 lets you film with confidence with or without a camera operator. Although it's primarily designed for video, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is also a capable camera for photography. With its dual camera system, 37 megapixel stills, and up to 3 times optical, 6 times lossless, and 12 times digital zoom, you have plenty of flexibility when composing your shots. Whether you're traveling, exploring a city, or capturing landmarks and portraits, the different focal lengths let you get closer to your subject without physically moving, making it a practical all-around camera for both photos and videos. Battery life on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is genuinely impressive, offering up to 210 minutes of recording under the right conditions. In real-world use, I found it reliable enough for extended shoots, whether I was covering events or creating content throughout the day. Looking ahead, I hope DJI continues to push battery technology further so future Pocket models can deliver even longer uptime without the need for an optional battery handle, making an already excellent camera even better for creators on the go. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P comes with 103 gigs of built-in internal storage, which is a huge advantage because you can start shooting right away even without a microSD card. It's perfect for creators who occasionally forget to bring extra storage, especially when out on an adventure or traveling. And if you need even more space for longer shoots, you can simply expand it using a microSD card. Included in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P vlog combo is the Osmo FrameTap, a wireless viewfinder and remote controller that lets you preview shots, control the gimbal, switch shooting modes, adjust zoom, and activate ActiveTrack remotely. While it initially felt like an afterthought, I quickly came to appreciate the accessory. I can still use the Pocket 4P's excellent built-in touchscreen while also having a wireless remote display and controller, making solo shoots and creative camera placements much easier. I hope that DJI would expand its functionality through a future firmware update, allowing users to adjust shooting parameters such as resolution and frame rate, along with pro settings like exposure controls and color profiles directly from the FrameTap. That would make it a more complete and professional remote shooting solution.
Hey guys, this is Mark and I'm recording this vlog using the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P with the Selfie fill light attached.
The vlog combo of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P comes with this attachable fill light that connects magnetically to the back of the camera module. It gets its power directly from the device via metal pins and plates, so you don't have to charge it separately. This foldable and compact fill light that you can use for your talking head videos or selfies supports 3 color temperatures: warm, cool, and neutral, as well as 3 brightness levels that you can toggle through using the buttons on top. Using it truly makes a huge difference when you're shooting videos at night or in low light conditions. I think it's a must-have, and it's one of the reasons why I prefer the vlog combo over the standard package. Alright, here's a demo.
Hey guys, this is Mark and I'm recording this vlog using the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P with the Selfie fill light attached. This is I think this is the neutral zone, and I can also change the brightness. This is level 1, level 2, level 3. This is level 3. This is neutral. This is cool. This is warm. This is cool. This is warm. And again, this is neutral. Okay. Okay.
Having owned and used every DJI Pocket camera from the original Osmo Pocket to the Pocket 2, Pocket 3, Pocket 4, and now the Pocket 4P, I can confidently say that this is the best one DJI has made thus far. While I'd still love to see D-Log 2 support added to the Med-Tele camera and a few refinements through future firmware updates, those are minor compared to everything that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P delivers. Its exceptional image quality, intelligent features, and remarkable versatility make it an easy recommendation for vloggers, content creators, videographers, and even professional filmmakers looking for a compact camera that performs at an incredibly high level.
This is Mark of TechPinas. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Val, for joining me.
No problem.
3 times natin dito. Wow. Okay. Thanks for watching.